Bandits abduct Katsina student in fresh attack. Gunmen suspected to be bandits have abducted many students of Islamiyah school in Mahuta town, Dandume local government area of Katsina state. According to Katsina's Post, the Islamic students were abducted on their way home after they graced a Maulud procession at Ongwa Al-Qasim, a nearby village. The actual number of the abducted students is yet to be known, but the vigilant group in the community have already begun a rescue operation. When contacted, the Katsina State Police Command Public Relations Officer Gambo Issa said he was out of the state on an official assignment. Thank you for listening to this news. My viewers, this news is resurfacing and, and showing itself again over and over and over and over again. Why? Because the people still doesn't believe that bandits can come to a school in broad daylight with bikes to come and kidnap 344 students. How possible is that? And they claim they came on bikes. How true can that be? Is it possible? Is it possible? Okay, let's look at it this way. A bike can take how many people? Let's say 3 people. If the bandits want to go away with these people, it will take like 3 people at least. Am I right? Now, if truly that these people came with a bike, it means that there is no way people will not know, because the whole place will look like a marketplace. It will look like a marketplace in the sense that everywhere will be crowded with bikes, whereby people will now be suspicious of what these people are doing. Then they'll start carrying the students on top of the bike. Now, the students that are carrying on top of the bike, you tell me that the students will not raise their voice on high for people to know that what these people have come to do is to kidnap. What are we saying now? It's a lie. It's a complete lie. It's a lie from the pit of hell. A big lie. Okay, you look at the first time. The first time, see, for you to know that these people are not accurate in their answers. At first, it was they said 333. Is it not so? Now they are saying that 344. Who are they lying to now? Why are they like this? Why are they like this? You see that this administration is run under lies and deceitfulness. Buhari has never been accurate in any of his actions. This administration is run under lies and deceit. I'm telling you, one can hardly vouch for any member of this administration. They are all deceitful people. No wonder Okorocha said it, that the people killing this administration are the commissioners and ministers of the President Muhammadu Buhari. If only Buhari can do away with these people, I'm telling you, nothing. This administration will change a little bit. This administration is run under deceit and biasness and cheat. That is what this administration is run under. I'm telling you, it is. You get it? So let's stop deceiving ourselves and tell ourselves the truth. These people came with something else and not bikes. Okay, I took the news I broadcasted yesterday. That news was saying that they came with a bus to the school and pick up this. Oh shit. When will these people be accurate in their information? And that is why it was difficult for the soldiers to be able to get hold of these students. And now they are telling us that there was a negotiation, but no money is involved in the negotiation. You see that? In fact, everything about the kidnapping of these youth and their release centers on lies and biasness. Do you understand now? Centers on lies and biasness. The governments are just deceiving themselves, saying they are deceiving us. Big lie. Big lie. They should not worry now. The world are watching. Everyone is watching. We shall all see. We shall all see who is deceiving who. We shall all see who is telling the truth. We shall all see if truly that the government are deceiving us or telling us the truth. They can't deceive us for so long now. We are human beings. You understand? We're human beings. So there is no way they will keep deceiving us because the world are watching. You understand? For crying out. Okay, look at when these people were now released. See the attitude the president Muhammadu Buhari was now putting up. He was now putting up attitude of a good president and start making unnecessary promises that he cannot even keep. He first of all start apologizing and saying he's very sorry for what he has done, that of a truth he has not been meeting up with the promises he made to Nigerians, and this and that. Oh shit, who is this man trying to deceive? Who is he trying to deceive? We are all human beings, so we are all adults. We are all adults. So he's putting up those innocent looks so that Nigerians will like, oh, the president is now feeling remorse of all his actions. Big lie. Buhari can never feel remorse. Instead, he will do more and tell you that he's the one that did it. So nobody should be sympathetic to him. You better don't be sympathetic to Buhari. If you do that, you are at your own risk. You are totally at your own risk, so you don't dare try it. Because Buhari is not the type to be sympathetic with. Someone that, after those boys were kidnapped, he visited Katsina. After the visit at Katsina, he went straight to his own house. Instead of him to go straight to the school where this scene was carried out. Buhari didn't visit the school. It was later he now paid a visit to, he now invited the governor of Katsina, Mansari, to come and visit him. Before that, I started giving him information on how the kidnap actually happened. My dear, we have really gotten a president for ourselves. We have really, really gotten a president for ourselves. Wallahi. Yes, so wallahi talai, we have gotten a president for ourselves. You understand? So, my viewers, this issue of kidnapping of Kankara schoolboys and all of that is centered on fake. I'm not blaming the person that said that this kidnapping of Kankara schoolboys is a setup. The person is right now. It's possible. Well, my dear viewers, I would really appreciate it if you too can come in and air your own opinion. Alright? Do me free to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.